Hello students, welcome to Short's classes. In this video I'm going to solve Institute of Actuaries of India's ACET 2021 paper. Okay, I'm trying to be as brief as possible and try to solve it with respect to the easiest process and method available. Okay, while seeing this, if you face any kind of problem, you can write in the comment section or directly can tell me. I will tell you about the doubts as well. The first one is, let f of so it's a real structure, so let me just reduce the pen. Yeah, okay. Now as you can see, so it's a function r for a real plane and defined as fx equal to x squared minus 3x plus 4 and the pre-image of this set. Okay, so let me have a look here. First of all, f1, what is it? So f1 is 1 minus 3 plus 4. So 5 minus 3, so this is 2. f2, if we calculate, 2 to the 4 minus 6 plus 4. So here in this case, it is coming again 2. Okay. So f1 and f2 both are giving 2. But fx not equal to 2. For any value which is between this 1 and 2 zone. So as a result of that, this quadratic equation cannot have more than 2 solutions, and it's a quadratic. So solution equal to always 2. Okay, so hence the pre-image of 2 is 1 and 2. So that is option number C is correct. Remember that 1 to 2 anything can happen. And in the above zone, 1 to 2 excluding 1 and 2 is given. So obviously they are not same. Okay, don't confuse with that. Now we move to the next one. So in this question, suppose that fn is a function 2 into f of n minus 1 plus 1 by 2 and n equal to 1, 2 and long functions. f1 is given to f51, you need to find out. Okay, so fn and f this. So 2 into fn, if you calculate, is 2 into f of n minus 1 plus 1. So if you take 2 common both side and take this all n part in the left, so you are left out with this half. So summing both the sides of this equation, we can get so fn and fn minus 1. So summing both sides of these two structures, we get n equal to 2 to 51. So f51 minus f1, if you calculate here, so this is 50 divided by 2, that is 25. And f1 is itself 2, so we can conclude that f of 51 is 25 plus 2, that is 27. So ultimately the answer is D. Okay, and you can also do it with respect to arithmetic progression. So where it's an AP series with the first common difference D equal to half, first term A equal to 2, and 51st term is A plus 51 minus 2 into D. So 2 plus 49 into half. So this will also give you the same value. Okay, next one, the value of cos inverse they want to ask. So cos inverse half plus 2 pi into sin inverse half. So cos inverse half we know pi by 3, 2 into sin inverse half, so this is pi by 6, so this is 2 pi by 3. Very easy, so answer is C. Next number, we are proceeding the set of values satisfying the inequality. So all you have to do is to just solve it. So 4x x plus 1 minus 3 into x plus 1 greater than 0. So here is a product. So 4x minus 3 and x plus 1 greater than 0. So x plus 1 and 4x minus 3, either both are positive or both negative. Then only the product is positive. Okay, so from the first one, 4x minus 3, so we can get, so x greater than minus 1 or x greater than 3 by 4. And x less than 3 by 4 and x less than minus 1. So ultimately combining these two, the only combination applicable is this, x greater than 3 by 4 and x less than minus 1. So option B is correct. In the next video we will do the rest of the part from 5 we will do. Thank you.